Good morning guys. Malamig ngayon kaya nakabunot tayo at saka full gear for winter. So ang gagawin ko ngayon guys, I have to replace the headlight lamp of Traverse 2017. It's suddenly born out the low beam lamp of the Traverse 2017. So let's try guys. I try to on the Traverse and we'll see if it's on the right side. So I think it's on the right side. It's born out. Here we go guys. It's on now, and this is the driver's side low beam lamp. It's working, and we'll see on the other side. Whoa, yeah, it's not working guys. So this is the high beam lamp. On this side is the low beam. We'll see if the high beam also working. Okay, it's on the high. So here the low beam lamp light is working, and this is the high beam. So we'll see. I'll turn on the high beam like that. Okay. So yeah, the high beam here. So this is the low beam working also. This is the high beam, not it's also working. We'll see the other side. Okay. Oh yeah, the high beam on the other side is working on the passenger's side, and then this is the low beam. You see, it's not working, it's born out. So we need to replace that bulb there. So in order to replace that, it's hard in here, because if we replace that through here, we need to open the hood and a lot of things that we can remove. Unlike here, see the light. I have a light here. Light. See, and here. We'll try here in the wheel side. So we'll open this fender here. So we have only two screws. I think we can only remove two screws on this side so that we can access those bulb there. Okay, we'll see guys. So I'll put this light here like that, so that we'll see. Okay, let's open this side, and first I will turn off the car. I will turn off the engine, and so that it will be safe for us. And also I'll turn off the high beam switch. Okay. Now high beam, push high beam, and the up is low beam, like that. So only one light. So we'll off the engine, guys. Safety. Okay. is the key. So we will now working on that side there. So as you can see, I have portable heater here because it's too cold in here inside my garage. My garage is not insulated, so I need that portable heater to keep us warm. Okay guys, I'll start to remove that screw there. I have this screw bit here. Okay, so maybe I need the little one. This is bigger. I need the little one. Here is the little one. Here. Okay. Just put back this one. I have a little one here. So this one's work. Yeah, only this one, guys. The screw. Yeah, this kind of screw. Only 2 screws, and then we'll just bend this fender here, or the mud guard. Yeah, I think it's removed. Okay, and then it's easy, guys. We'll just pull out this one, like that, okay, like that, and then that's it. We'll just put this light here and that one. Okay. Yeah. I think I'll see that. I just put this light here. Okay. Yeah, that's light. As you can see, guys. Yeah. As you can see, the cover on top. So that cover, that black cover there, that's the low beam light or low beam light. Okay, so we can remove that one. Okay, I'll just put this one here too. I'll just this is the cover for the low beam light. We'll remove this one. one. Okay. That it's removed. So this is the light here. That one. So I can replace the order. So we have the same. So this one, this is the bad one. So it's see that it's got like the other one. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. So this guys is about H11 basic. That's basic. H11 only. So as we can see, this one right here is good, and the other one is blown out. It was blown out, and I think that there's no connection for this one. And this is the appearance of the bulb. H11 for the Traverse, I think 2014 to mine is 2017. I don't know the other year model, but mine is H11. Maybe they're same. As long as Traverse, they'll cut off the connection there. This is the old one. So we will attach the new one. Okay, here. So we'll put this one first in the place. We'll see, guys, if that's working. So we'll try to turn on the car. Okay. We'll go here. It's easy to access. Okay. Turn on the car. Let's see. Whoa. Oh, it's working. See, guys. That's it. And then we'll put that back in place. Okay, so we'll just turn off the car. We'll turn off the car, and then we'll put back on place. We'll put that place back in there, and then we're done. Let's see, guys, and then we'll see here. There is one there. We'll just turn off this, okay, so that we can see that thing there. Okay, we'll turn this one. We can put this one in place here. That place there. Okay. Okay. Where is it? On. Okay, we'll see. Where is it? Where's our hands? Okay, there we go. That's it. Okay, I'll put this one back. Go ahead. turning it on right there. Okay, and then turn up a little bit. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. Well done. Just lock this one, not pull it out. Okay, that's it, guys. And then I'll put the cover back in place. Okay, back in place the cover. So the cover, this one. Release. That. Where's the cover? There we go. Just like that. Yan. Let's go. Okay. Just like that. Okay. I'll just put back the two screws here. And the fender and the cover. Here, so two screws, one there and one here, one here, and that's it. We're done replacing the bulb. Thanks for the help for that portable heater. Okay. Where is the screw? There. Now here's the light, guys. This is the left side and this is the right side. Yeah, I think this is brighter than. What do you see, guys? Is this brighter than the other side or they're the same? Oh, this is brighter. This is the brighter one, or same, or yeah, I think the same. It's the same. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching again, and see you on my next video. Bye bye. God bless.